My name is Xinyu, and my startup idea is about a project named IEU International Education. And IEU International Education is about a nursery school that we provide a developmental program for the children under 48 months old in China. And we offer them the best programs to help them grow to their best potential. This idea was born after I came to IE. The first year, I found that my classmates around me, they can easily speak more than 2 languages. For example, they can speak Spanish, English, and Italian at the same time. And they can also speak them as their mother tongue. So I found, even for me, it's very difficult for me to learn English. So I'm wondering why. So I'm thinking about my childhood. So I found there's lack of English-speaking environment in China, and because of the 2 languages are so different, so why not help the babies to start learning English when they were born? So here comes my idea. I would like to recommend startup lab to the future students, because if you have a dream, come to IE, come to startup, and you can see your future clear.